Introduce it there.
Hi, this is the gingerbread house that I made, and I just finished the decorating this morning. I put on this little plastic gingerbread man. I made a door right here.
Here, look over here.
At the back, you could see I put some decorations. There's decorations over here, and on the other side, and over there, and over here. And that means, you know, there's something like that on the other side. As you can see, I made this gingerbread house.
Look in the camera.
Directions.
Look in the camera.
My mom had to help me build a gingerbread house, but now but I did that candy putties, and then I put on this guy, and I was so excited. I want to eat it right now, but I can't.
Okay, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you for listening to me.